discussing alcohols, phenols and ethers. It is one of the important chapter in 12th standard. Now we are discussing what are alcohols. Alcohols are hydroxyl derivatives of hydrocarbons. What are alcohols? Alcohols are hydroxyl derivatives of hydrocarbons. Functional group in alcohols. Functional group in alcohols OH. General formula of alcohols CnH2n plus 1 OH or CnH2n plus 2 O. This is general formula of alcohols. Here alcohols are hydroxyl derivatives of hydrocarbons, and alcohols formed by the displacement of H atom by hydroxyl group. For example, here hydrocarbon is methane. In methane, hydrogen atom is replaced by hydroxyl group, then the formation of compound is alcohol. Another example, it is hydrocarbon ethane. In ethane, hydrogen is replaced by hydroxyl group, then the formation of compound is alcohol. Here alcohols are hydroxyl derivatives of hydrocarbons. These are formed by the displacement of hydrogen atom by hydroxyl group, then the formation of compound is alcohols. Alcohols are also regarded as monoalkyl derivatives of water. Here water containing two hydrogen atoms. In hydrogen atoms, one hydrogen is replaced by one alkyl group, then the formation of compound is water. As per definition, alcohols are also regarded as monoalkyl derivatives of water. In water, one hydrogen is replaced by one alkyl, monoalkyl group, then the formation of compound is alcohols. In these compounds, hydroxyl group is attached to saturated carbon atom are called alcohols. For example, here CH3 OH, CH3 CH2 OH, CH3 CH2 CH2 OH. In these compounds, hydroxyl group is attached to saturated carbon atoms. This carbon hybridization is sp3 and this carbon hybridization is sp3 and this carbon hybridization is sp3. In these compounds, hydroxyl groups attached to sp3 carbon atom are saturated carbon atoms. These are called alcohols. If hydroxyl group is attached to unsaturated carbon atom are called enols. Here the compounds, in these compounds, hydroxyl group is attached to unsaturated carbon atom are called enols. For example, here CH2 double bond CH OH, CH3 CH double bond CH OH. Here in these two compounds, hydroxyl group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. sp2 hybridized carbon atom or unsaturated carbon atom. This part is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Hydroxyl group is attached to unsaturated carbon atom are called enols. Okay, let's copy this one. Next we are discussing classification of alcohols. Classification of alcohols. Alcohols are classified according to, the first one is on the basis of number of hydroxyl groups present in a molecule. They are classified monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols, trihydric alcohols, and polyhydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols, alcohols with only one hydroxyl group. Alcohols with only one hydroxyl group present in a molecule are called monohydric alcohols. For example, here methanol, CH3 CH2 OH, CH3 OH, CH3 OH. These all compounds are with only one hydroxyl groups. These are monohydric alcohols. dihydric alcohols. Dihydric alcohols with two hydroxyl groups. Alcohols with two hydroxyl groups are called dihydric alcohols. Here example CH2OH, CH2OH. This compound containing two hydroxyl groups. These are called dihydric alcohols. It is ethylene glycol. If two hydroxyl groups present in a compound are called glycols. This is ethylene glycol. Another example is CH2OH, CH2OH. This is propylene glycol. And next, trihydric alcohols. Alcohols with three hydroxyl groups. Alcohols with three hydroxyl groups are called trihydric alcohols. For example, CH2OH, CH2OH. In these compounds, three hydroxyl groups are present. This is called glycerol. And polyhydric alcohols. Polyhydric alcohols means alcohols with more than 4 hydroxyl groups are called polyhydric alcohols. For example, here CH2OH, 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 CH2OH. This compound example for polyhydric alcohols and name sorbitol. Means here more than 4 hydroxyl groups present in this compound. This compound is sorbitol. It is example for polyhydric alcohols. First classification on the basis of number of hydroxyl groups. Based on this, they are classified into monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols, trihydric alcohols and polyhydric alcohols. If alcohols contains only one hydroxyl group is called monohydric alcohols. If compounds containing two hydroxyl groups are called dihydric alcohols. If compounds containing three hydroxyl groups are called trihydric alcohols. If compounds containing more than 4 hydroxyl groups, the compounds are called polyhydric alcohols. Next, classification on the basis of nature of COH bond. Based on this, monohydric alcohols are classified into based on two conditions. One is compounds containing CsP3 bond with OH and compounds containing sp2 hybridized carbon atom, CsP2 OH bond. Here monohydric alcohols are classified based on compounds containing CsP3OH bond. They are classified alkyl alcohols. And next one is allylic alcohols. And third classification is benzylic alcohols. Next, second one, compounds containing sp2 bond with OH. Based on this, alcohols are classified, monohydric alcohols are classified into two types. One is vinylic alcohols, and the second one is phenol. Here, alkyl alcohols. In this alcohols, OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. For example, here hydroxyl group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Here also hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atoms. These are called alkyl alcohols. And next one, allylic alcohols. In this alcohols, OH group is attached to sp3 carbon atom. OH group is attached to sp3 carbon atom, which is attached to carbon-carbon double bond. Here, hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 carbon atom. This carbon is attached to carbon-carbon double bond or one of the carbon atom of alkene is called allylic alcohol, and this carbon is called allylic carbon. And next, benzylic alcohols. In this alcohols, hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is attached to benzene ring or aromatic ring. Here, hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This carbon is attached to aromatic ring. Or hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 carbon atom next to benzene ring is called benzylic alcohol. This carbon atom is called benzylic carbon. Here, in vinylic alcohols, hydroxyl group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Here, hydroxyl group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom called vinylic alcohol, or this carbon is called vinylic carbon. one more example here. CH3 CH double bond CH OH. Here this carbon is sp2. Hydroxyl group is attached to sp2 carbon atom. It is one of the carbon of alkene. This is called vinylic alcohols. And next, phenols. In this alcohols, hydroxyl group is directly attached to benzene ring. Directly attached to benzene ring. Here also hydroxyl group is attached to this carbon sp2 carbon. Hydroxyl group is attached to aromatic ring is called phenol. In this phenol, hydroxyl group is directly attached to sp2 carbon atom. This is based on the compounds containing sp2 hybridization carbon with hydroxyl. Next, these three alkyls compounds containing sp3 hybridized carbon atoms. Based on this, classified monohydric alcohols are classified three types: alkyl alcohols, allylic alcohols, and benzylic alcohols. These three classifications, these three types, again classified into three types. Again classified into three types. They are primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, tertiary alcohols. Here, primary alcohols. Hydroxyl group is attached to primary carbon atom is called primary alcohols. Hydroxyl group is attached to primary carbon atom is called primary alcohols. In these alcohols, hydroxyl group is attached to carbon atom which is attached to one or no more carbon atoms are called primary alcohols. Another example here, benzylic alcohol. Here also this is primary carbon atom. It is example of primary alcohol. And one more example, CH2 double bond CH2 OH. This carbon also primary carbon. This is also primary alcohol. In secondary alcohol, the hydroxyl group is attached to secondary carbon atom. For example here, CH3 CH OH CH3. Here hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon, and this is secondary carbon. Hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon which is attached to two other alkyl groups. This is called secondary alcohol. One more example here, CH3 OH. This is secondary carbon, and CH3 CH2 double bond CH3 OH. This is also secondary carbon atom or secondary alcohol. Due to this carbon is attached to two other alkyl groups are called secondary alcohols. And next, tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols, hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is attached to three other alkyl groups are called tertiary alcohols. Here one more example here, CH2 double bond CH, CH3, CH3, OH. This is tertiary carbon. Hydroxyl group is attached to tertiary carbon atom which is attached to three other alkyl groups are called tertiary alcohols. One more example here, CH3, here OH. This is also tertiary alcohol. And next, this is also classified one more proporgylic alcohol. Proporgylic alcohols. In this alcohols, hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is attached to alkyne group which is attached to carbon triple bond. Here this carbon is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 carbon atom. Next to carbon triple bond is called proporgylic alcohols. This is classification of alcohols based on according to two variations. One is on the basis of number of hydroxyl groups in a molecule, and second one is on the basis of nature of COH bond. Based on this, monohydric alcohols classified into alkyl alcohols, allylic alcohols, benzylic alcohols, and proporgylic alcohols, vinylic alcohols, phenols. According to compounds containing sp3 hybridized carbon atom, they are classified into four types. In four types, hydroxyl group is directly attached to sp3 carbon atom. In this alkyl alcohol, hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 carbon atom next to saturated chain or saturated carbon. And in allylic alcohols, hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 carbon atom next to carbon double bond. And in benzylic alcohol, hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 carbon atom which is attached to aromatic ring. In proporgylic alcohol, hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 carbon atom which is attached to carbon triple bond. Again these four types again classified into three types. One is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. In this alcohols, hydroxyl group is attached to primary carbon are called primary alcohols. Hydroxyl group is attached to secondary carbon are called secondary alcohols. If hydroxyl group is attached to tertiary carbon atom, they are called tertiary alcohols. And other side, in vinylic alcohols, hydroxyl group is directly attached to sp2 carbon atom. These are called vinylic alcohols. In phenol, hydroxyl group is directly attached to benzene ring or aromatic ring. These are called phenols. Note, if two hydroxyl groups present in same carbon atom. For example, here CH3, CH3C, OH, OH, and hydrogen. In this compound containing two hydroxyl groups, it is example for dihydric alcohol. This compound is unstable. Immediately this last one water molecule, then formation stable compound. This is stable compound. And except this compound, another compound is containing also two hydroxyl groups, that is chloral hydrate. In this compound, hydroxyl groups formation intramolecular hydrogen bonding with chlorine. Here what happens in this compound? Intramolecular hydrogen bonding is formed in between chlorine and hydrogen. So this compound is stable compound compared to this one. So this is unstable compound. Except this compound, this is stable compound.